1.
Hi, John.
Hi, Sarah. Where are you going?
I'm going to the city centre.
I went to the city centre yesterday afternoon.
Really? Were you there when it was stormy?
Yes, I was.
What were you doing when it started to rain?
I was getting on the bus.
Pardon? What did you say?
I said that I was getting on the bus.
Oh, did you get wet?
No, I didn't.
That was lucky.
2.
Where were you yesterday afternoon, Sarah?
I was at a castle with my parents.
I'm sorry. Could you say that again, please?
Yes, of course. I was at a castle with my parents.
That sounds interesting. What were you doing when it started to rain?
I was taking a photo.
Oh dear. Did you get wet?
Not really. I was wearing a hat.
That was lucky.
Yes, it was.